Welcome back to our channel, Dave and Rose Travels. In this video, we take a nighttime stroll down the world-renowned Avenida Miguel Hidalgo, located on the beautiful Isla Mujeres. Dave and Rose Travels, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell. Beautiful Avenida Miguel Hidalgo, located not far from Playa Norte, Isla Mujeres. During the day, you can enjoy some lunch and do a little shopping, but come nighttime, Avenida Miguel Hidalgo comes alive. So we're gonna walk all the way down Avenida Miguel Hidalgo, all the way to the Church of Immaculate Conception, located on the south side of the Zocalo. If you haven't seen our last video, part 2 of our golf cart Isla Mujeres tour, where we come across the smell of what we thought was a dead animal, and then later on the news confirms that it was actually a deceased person.
Animal smells.
We also go to Zama Beach Club, so please watch that video. Now let's begin our walk. I want to mention that I'm learning to use our new gimbal. So if you've been seeing some shaky footage, it's me just learning how to use the gimbal. let's talk about our channel, Dave and Rose Travels. We are a small YouTube channel at this point, and we would love for you to subscribe to our videos. Maybe give this video a thumbs up, maybe comment, maybe share it. and hit that notification bell so that you know when I put out further content. And here we are at the end of our day and our last night on Isla Mujeres. So we're gonna soak in this ever so beautiful CANCÚN skyline. Tomorrow we head back to CANCÚN, you guys.
The next day.
In our next video, we head to CANCÚN to LeBlanc Spa Resort, the #1 all-inclusive, adults-only premier resort in all of CANCÚN. So subscribe so you can see that fancy footage. Hola, gracias. Thank you for watching our video. Remember, subscribing ensures that you get to see the next ones coming up. So make sure you subscribe so you can see all the fancy LeBlanc Spa Resort videos that we have coming up. Because the room tour and resort tour are fabulous.